Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Come take a test drive today.